to be cooking for the James Beard Foundation, something that a lot of chefs dream to do, and the fact that we have these opportunity to cook for the James Beard House is an honor, and I'm really honored to be a part of it and working with these great chefs.
James Beard was a cutting-edge American culinarian, did so many amazing things to elevate the American cuisine.
James Beard was known as the father of gourmet cooking.
One of the highest regards of culinary folklore, if you will. I mean, he himself was just such an amazing person, and he was so passionate about food.
Being part of this event is just like being at the Grammys, the Oscars and stuff like that. The who is who in the industry. Rarely do the chef come and stand out because all the time we're in the back of the kitchen. But this is the first time I can put myself up front and talk about what made me to be who I am today, as I enjoy to do this.
Ever since I was a young kid in the business and learning about it, always looked up the Beard Foundation.
To cook with all the chefs in the area, it is really a phenomenal experience for me.
It's really exciting to be able to work with different chefs in the area and see what kind of things that they produce too.
The James Beard Foundation, just to cook for that is such an honor.
Really inspired by being a part of this because I know the importance of giving back to the community.
You know, being a part of an event like this is really awesome, and I'm humbled and extremely happy to have been asked to be a part of this. It's a historical event for our area.
Honestly, it's surreal. I'm from Guam, and I never thought in a million years I'd be given this opportunity.
It's just going to be something this area has never seen before.
Let's remember to collaborate, celebrate the seasons, celebrate our farmers, and realize that this is a tough line of work, but a very rewarding line of work. Let's keep making Hampton Roads better and better and better. And I'm really excited to be a little piece of it now, and I can't wait to see what's to come.